Japan is corruption we usually measure it in them earning wealth. But wealth is not, wealth earning is not the driving force. There is more psychological disturbances. Is it power gaining, which they think is by virtue of wealth? So, cutting down to the final minute, here's the problem. All humans are born with a certain potential energy. We all have energy. That's number one. Number two, we all have need to be recognized and appreciated. Combine you have blast of energy and you want to recognize. You at that point have a junction. You can go right or left. Right, you can do good things, channelize your energy into that and get recognized for those good things. Or you can do bad things. Take this energy and be recognized doing bad things. That's why Britney Spears shaved her head. This is the same psychology there. We good things path block literally. Let me give you an example. A student, what is most glory? Getting first in the class. The energy and appreciation maintain kare thi. But je tawa number one achan ke appreciate na kanda, to who does no char manu goliu pa halain ta ma bhalaya. You get recognized that way. Think about it. So what can we do at a Sanaland level? We try to promote education, but we do not promote the recognition of excellence. We don't. I'm still cutting down to the last 15 seconds. Sports. Sports is a great way to channelize your energy and be recognized. What is our most common sport in Pakistan? Cricket. Wrong. Let's change it. Look at this. Cricket requires big ground. We don't have those. It requires green grass. We don't have water. It requires very expensive equipment. We don't have it. Summer out, garmi and Navamena, cricket is a 6-hour game. Kids don't play. Bottom line, cricket is now only on the screen. People don't play it. My suggestion, promote volleyball. What is volleyball? You play on the mud. You don't need shoes. You need one big ball, which is white. You can play at night when it is cooler. There 10 people play volleyball, cricket mein 13, but the difference is huge. If media takes on it, we promote showing volleyball, we recognize volleyball players, we have inter-school, inter-city volleyball tournaments, you see the amount of impact you will have on the energy. We all need recognition. Asawata you are last 10 seconds of that. Red light te nae bero mukhe kir jalindo. Right? That person is asking for recognition. But unvat sirf iyo ya hai to babyad isna to minister to putri. But the same student in America will be recognized only if he does excellence in education, sports. Why don't we hold debate competitions? Bring the winner here. Recognize that person. Show me a simple.
Mehrmani, sahih basketball wali je child grow kado taal